Matt here, just cutting my nails. For anyone, this would be a normal activity. But for me, well, it's normal now. I usually wouldn't do this on the table, but I figured with steady hands, and I need new glasses, that's for sure. Let me turn this light up a bit. Trying to navigate around this camera too. So, if you watch my channel, I do lots of videos on and off, with the DBS on and off. Obviously, I have the DBS on right now. It's pretty good. They really weren't that long, but for me, a guitar player, it's got to be long enough. Or, I'm sorry, it can't be too long, it's got to be short. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. The wonders of DBS. In a second here, I'll try it without DBS. You can see the drastic difference. Even when I was on meds, this was tricky. But now, take it easy. For anyone who's thinking about DBS, this is one of those little things that are like make and break moments here. So there's no way I can do this with the stimulation off. Oh, I can almost do it. Relax. I can't get him to coordinate. There's no way I can do it. Gotta turn the stimulation back on. There we go. Jeez. What a joke, huh? For those of you who have essential tremor, what a pain in the butt, huh? It's such a simple task. It shouldn't be that hard, right? It shouldn't be that hard. Yeah. It's pretty short, pretty accurate stuff there. Sometimes it gets a little pointy on these edges here, and I don't like that. Because I could be moving my fingers around, and all of a sudden it scrapes. Yeah, like there. It's like a slight little... I think I got it. Yeah, look at that. How about right there? Yeah, see that? I don't like that little point? I literally got to be surgical with these clippings. So on my right hand, whoops, that was not tremor, that was purely my clumsiness. I'm left-handed, so it's actually easier to do this with my left hand. Seems you're getting everywhere. Oh well. All in the name of science, right? Pretty close. Usually I let these nails grow out a tiny bit, but again, it's like, let's demonstrate. I'll forego clipping my nails. I don't know if I want to show you all my feet. Look at that. Perfect. Put it back. Look at that. Now to clean up the mess. And that is going to be easy as well, because I could just... I mean, right? If you got essential tremor, I wouldn't even be able to do this. There you have it. Give me a thumbs up. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions about deep brain stimulation, I'm your man. And feel free to leave any comments. Hope you're digging my videos. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.